boys and girls. Today's Friday. Friday, July 2nd. So I've been doing some chores. It's early morning. I took care of factoring, so today everything is open, right? So I took care of factoring for the last load, sending all the paperwork. I was already paid for the previous one, for the big machine. Now today I'll be paid for the small load. And then I took out some US cash, put into my second bank's account to pay for my US dollar visa. And now I'm at the shopping center with Canadian Tire. Canadian Tire, kind of like a home and auto parts store. Oh, and before that, so I've been doing some shopping, right? So I'll be doing some trailer maintenance after this, so this might be the second part of this video. But for now, I just wanted to say, to show you guys what I did. First off, these are my favorite protein bars. They're sprouted plant-based protein, and they look like this. And why I like this, because I'm allergic to dairy, and it's not easy to find protein bars that don't have milk or chocolate in them. And these ones are a rarity, and they taste very good. So 16 grams of protein, 16 grams of fiber. So these are about $3 Canadian, or you can buy a box like this at a grocery store. I think it was like $32, and there's 12 of them in there. And usually I like that for my morning coffee, and now I switched to partial decaf. I don't drink, you know, full strength coffee anymore. It just makes me jittery. So I just got this venti americano, and I said 50% decaf, and I had one of these with coffee. Perfect. And then I went to supplement store, you know, for athletes, because I have these great protein and powder, and in order to make a protein shake you need something like this. But my old one, this is my third one. My first one, I lost it somewhere. The second one, I did not like the design, because it was it had a stick in there, and then a metal spring was going up and down on that stick, and that stick was it was hard to clean. Yeah, it was hard to clean. I wonder if I can sit on this bumper. No, I don't think it's that strong. So the stick was hard to clean, and this powder was getting everywhere, and so I get rid of that one. And so now I went to this Popeye's supplements, and none of these is sponsored. This is just my review, but again, this is the best one I found that doesn't have any milk in it, and it's plant-based vegan. It tastes very good. Like one scoop of this beautiful stuff has only 135 calories, but it has 25 grams of protein and only 5.5 grams of carbs. So I like this, like for dinner or for breakfast. And so yeah, I went in there and I said, guys, I want, and they have like a whole row of these, and I said, I want something that doesn't have that stick in the middle. Can you just get me a mixer like this, just with a spring? And the guy says, the only one that doesn't have that stick in is this one, this basic one. He says, all the other ones you see on the shelf, they all have that stick. I said, I don't want it. And I said, what's inside here, a spring? He says, no, it's not a spring, it's an anchor. I said, excuse me? He says, it's an anchor. Check this out. He wasn't kidding. It's a real anchor, but it's beautiful. It has no parts, right? So everything is solid, so the powder cannot get anywhere, you know, so it's very easy to clean. And basically you put water first, or a coconut milk. What I do, unsweetened coconut milk, and then you put a scoop of this beautiful stuff. The water or liquid must go in first, otherwise it's not gonna mix, right? And then you just close it like that, make sure this is tight, and just make your shake, you know, like 2 minutes, and you have 25 grams of protein ready to go. And then also, while I was at that Popeye's supplement store, I saw they were also selling gloves, and it's been a long time since they tore up, or I throw them away. You know, I need gloves for strength training, so I got these. I didn't have enough money to afford full finger gloves, so I bought these were cheaper. Okay. And then I went to the Canadian Tire, where I ordered all-weather custom WeatherTech floor mats. I think I ordered them before I left on the trip with that big machine for Ohio, and I went in, I checked, and they said no, it's still not here. And also what I'm gonna do today is I want to clean my all electrical connectors, not air but electrical connectors on the trailer. And I did research online if there was any kind of cleaner specifically designed for electrical connectors, and I found this. I found this online, that these guys had it in stock, and this is MotoMaster electrical contact cleaner. And so I'm gonna spray this stuff. And also I saw a new format, like these bottles. It's also MotoMaster chain lube, and chain lube is the best grease I found for binders and chains. Why it's called chain lube? Because this is for motorcycles, so this is designed to work outside, so this is not afraid of dirt or water, whereas WD-40 that many people reference, it's not designed for outside. I killed a few binders by using WD-40, because that thing just attracts dirt like crazy, and the threads got plugged up with dirt. So don't use WD-40 on something that you keep outside, like chains and binders. The best stuff is this, anything that says chain lube. I used a different brand before, but this was now on the price was good. It was like $6.50 Canadian per this. So I got 2 of these, and I got two electric contact cleaner things. And the last thing I bought, as I was reshuffling all these 4 cans, I put them on some display, and it had a bunch of these, and I'm like, and one of them almost tipped over, so I picked it up to put it back, and I look at it and it says reversible all-weather windshield guard. Look at this, reversible all-weather windshield guard, as seen on TV, protects your windshield from heat, protects your windshield from the snow. It was like $29.89 Canadian, and it looks like this. I don't know, you're supposed to leave it outside, I'm guessing, but this would be really cool in winter. But now I just want to protect the inside of the car, you know, from heat, because, you know, brand new car, right? I want to protect it. So yeah, so this is going to be my dinner today with this, and this is my breakfast. And then for lunch I'm just going to Pizza Hut over here and just have all meat, just 4 keftas, you know, protein only, maybe with some veggies, but no bread, no potatoes, no rice. All right, so now we're going to my truck to do the cleaning. I'll probably do another video, because this one is already almost 10 minutes. I'll do another video about the maintenance, so check the second video.